name's Bernadette Akol, and I come from Iruko Parish, which is found in Kasilo County and in Kadungulu Sub-County, that is in Serere District. We've come here to partner with the Gudie Leisure Farm, see the activities that they are rendering to our girls since they come from the communities, and we've seen they are doing a very, very great job. And Gudie Leisure Farm has actually gone very, very far, because we met Gudie Leisure Farm in our various sub-counties and the parishes. They came and talked to us, told us all about Gudie Leisure Farm, told us about all the projects here, told us about the identification of the girls, and we interacted a lot and thought it was a very, very good program for our girls in the communities that would enable them sustain their livelihoods when they return after this exercise. So that's how we came to really interact with the Gudie Leisure Farm. I have come here to see with my eyes, to see physically what Gudie Leisure Farm is doing with the girls. We have come here, I have come here to encourage the girls. I have come here to support the girls morally, emotionally. I have come here to learn more about Gudie Leisure Farm. And I know very well that they are going to give us the best of today. The whole day we will be interacting, we'll be having exchanges of so many things going around Gudie Leisure Farm, what they expect of us, the service investments, the social investments, what they're expecting of us. When we return, we should be able to implement. So that is the reason I am here. Yesterday when we arrived, we arrived late. We were very tired, the journey is long, and we were welcomed by the girls. We saw our cultural dances. It was thrilling by the girls. And then we saw the food, the local food that was prepared by the girls, which was very delicious. But then this morning we were able to move around. We saw the fish, the plants. We saw the small, agriculture plants that have been planted, that is really giving us some boosts that these girls are able to go and practice back in their communities. So I'm yet to see really more. I'm expecting more, because the afternoon is still long. We are going to do a lot of things. We are going to see a lot of things. So I am happy. These girls are training. I am expecting, like I said before, I'm expecting these girls to get back after this training and implement together with us the social investments. I expect them to go and put into practice what they have learned, what they have used their hands, to do things for themselves, to learn a lot of things by themselves. So they should not return and sit. They should not return and waste that precious time that they have spent here. Gudie Leisure Farm has given them enough, actually more than enough. So I expect them, they have taken various different enterprises, If you've been trained in poultry, why should you fail? If you've been trained in aquaculture, why should you fail? Okay, so if you've been trained in the food preparations, why would you fail? We have a lot of food in Uganda. Why would you fail to change? Actually, to become a change agent. That's what I'm expecting from these girls in our communities. They should become change agents in the community for Uganda, for the different corners of Uganda to develop, to change, so that they move at the level where the rest of the world now is going. Okay? So I am expecting them to begin to think outside their box, okay? So that they go and become change agents in the communities that they belong, in their parishes that they belong. And then, these other girls will also get interest. They will pick the interest. And then we can share with the Gudie Leisure Farm. Can you take more of these girls? They have enjoyed, they have done this because they have seen from their sisters, they have seen from their friends. So I really expect them to become change agents by changing themselves, changing their lifestyles, and changing the community.